Filming a lip combo tutorial for the first time can be embarrassing. Just take a look at me. Oh my god, don't mind the light and edit, pay no attention to it, and I beg you watch this video to the end because the outcome is everything that you need. Actually, this is a clip from the last vlog that I posted, but I choose to like do this separately because I'm excited, I'm overwhelmed with how my lip combo came out this particular day. So I don't know, everything is well detailed. I just hope you watch and learn something from it. For those of you that don't know how to line your lips, how to do your lip combo, please watch this video. Also, don't mind the white stains on my face. I just finished applying my aqua sunscreen, and you know, it's yet to like match with my face. God knows what the hell I'm doing. Because I don't know. I'm using this.